Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係Bingo Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zap Siu. And here on this edition, I think Leo's gonna teach us how to cook another dish. 我感觉得出来，你又想要来当这个主厨了，要来教一道客家菜了，对不对？
要当型男主厨吗？哎呀，不好意思啦。
有。Leo is a very stylish man, and he knows how to cook good dishes too. So today, 要教的是什么菜呢？
今天我们来教这个菜叫做客家泡菜文富瓜。
哦，这我有点懂哎，客家就是客家，
当然。
泡菜
对，
就是福菜，对不对？Mustard greens, that's very common in the Hakka dish. 闻就是要闻嘛。
对，
对不对？
就是我们的四闻四炒里头的那个其中一个闻，就一个炖的一个做法。
唯独后面这个什么瓜？
副瓜什
么瓜嘞？
冬
瓜、西瓜，
就是一个味道，
苦瓜。
嘿，对，苦瓜。
There are so many different gourds out there. I finally got it. It's the bitter gourd. Okay, so this is mustard greens simmered with bitter gourd. 哇，听起来这个又苦，然后又涩，又有很好吃的这个福菜。哇，这好多味道的感觉哦。
其实这个苦瓜它如果好好的料理它一点都不苦，然后那个味道非常的好。
That's true.
然后吃了之后呢，又有清凉退火。
Okay, it's very true. Even though the bitter gourd can be bitter, but if you cook it the right way, you can actually eliminate that taste, and it becomes very, very tasty. All right, let's teach you those two items in Hakka: the mustard green, 也就是福菜。
泡菜
and then the bitter gourd 苦瓜
副瓜
OK 所以这怎么做就切一切放在里面然后炖
对啊然后当然啦里面要有加一些三层肉
还是一点小肉在里面
对那有肉的味道嘛肉香味一定要有的然后还要准备一个姜嘛
姜嘛对Yeah, of course. Okay, aside from the bitter gourd and the mustard green, of course, you can add in a little bit minced meat, put in some ginger slices. That could actually elevate the taste a lot more. All right, so this dish is called 客家福菜焖苦瓜。
客家泡菜文富瓜。
客家泡菜文富瓜。泡菜 again is the mustard green, 福菜 and 富瓜 that's 苦瓜 or bitter gourd. That's all the time we have for this edition of Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.